Okay, so moving on to the front badge now, which is this one. So again, same as before, protect the car. These are relatively easy to get off, so I like to start in this corner here. I like to just get under the badge like this, stay on the flat area, come underneath and just raise, and it will just naturally just pop off. A bit of tape there. There we go. Dead easy to get off. So these little grommets here, you're going to swap these over onto your new badge, so don't lose these. So we're just going to clean this area up, ready for the new one, and then we'll come back to it. So we're using alcohol just to get it clean up. Just want the new one to stick quite nicely. So onto the new badge, genuine OEM badge. We do not use aftermarket Roundels here at KISS UK. So peel off and then just transfer over the little grommets onto the new badge. Now I'm going to put a little bit of heat on the badge itself, which is not on the car. So I'm just going to go off camera to do that, and then we'll come back and apply it. Just a little bit of heat, just run that through the tape, and then just locate and then apply. That's it, easy as that. Okay, so we're going to be fitting the OEM 50th anniversary Roundels. So the rear badge is a little bit more challenging because you've got your camera inside the badge. So we're going to show you step by step how to do this. We did do a short video on the one on our M4 G82, which you can see on our page, but this one will be a step by step talk through. Okay. So fitting the G82 rear roundel. So the first thing that we need to do is, as we've explained on the front end, we need to protect the car. So protect the paint around it. Don't just go rushing straight into it. So I'm just going to clean this area up here, and then we're going to mask it off. Protected. So I don't apply any heat to these at this stage. What I like to do is just run a little bit of fishing wire just around these edges here. You'll actually feel where it's cutting the tape on the inside. You're not going to get it all with the fishing line, so I'm going to show you what we do after that. You can feel, see how easy that is now. And then just this side. Okay, so with the trim tool, I've created the space to be able to get the squeegee behind. Okay, so now I'm just going to roll it, and then the roundel will come off. Like that. So obviously we need to get this this cradle off here. This is where the majority of your tape is. And when you feel it getting easier, that's when you've nailed it. I think we're good there. So just very gently get your trim tool just behind in the crease here, and this should start to just nicely pop away like that. And then this side. Now keep hold of it. And that's got it. Nice and gentle, pull it out. So inside here you've got a little door, okay? So we just need to get underneath these clips, because we need to open the door to get the camera out. So if you can see that there. So we just need to undo these clips. As you can see, the door opens, and then we can push the camera back out from this side, and that's your badge off. So the next phase is obviously to clean all this area off here. You need to get all this adhesive off, ready for the new one to go on, and then we'll come back to you when we're fitting the new one. And clip it down, just turn it around, line your dowels up, and then just pop it on. Now I don't like using heat on the back of these badges, and it's mainly because the camera's there. No other reason. Other people might do, but it's just my personal preference. We never used heat on ours, and we've never had a problem with it. That's it, guys. That is literally the rear roundel done.